I'm going to show you how to lift, refresh and revive your skin with your sculpting tool, perfect for morning and night. Start with freshly cleansed damp skin and apply a few drops of Advanced Night Repair Serum evenly across your face. Hold the tool with the curved side down and glide it from the top to the bottom of your ear, then down the neck. Next, move it along the jawline from the chin to the ear. Flip the tool so the curved side faces inward, then sweep it from the corners of your mouth to your ear and from the sides of your nose out to the ear. Be gentle around the eyes. Glide it under the eye area, along the bone to the temple, then sweep it along the brow back to the temple. Finish by gliding along the hairline, down around the ear and along the neck to the collarbone. Take a few slow, deep breaths to complete your routine.